Good Monday morning, June the 29th, 2026, and we're looking at Forex Factory, and we see no news today, 8:35 in the morning, nothing happening. But I will tell you what happened to us. Last Friday, we were doing some updates on our computer, and we're on a VPS system, and something happened, and over the period of an hour or so, after restarting and different things going on, we realized we had lost all of our files, which we had never thought to back up the files on the VPS because we had copies other places. The problem is I've been trading futures now for close to 2 years. I have all kinds of files and all kinds of updates for the Simple Market Metrics and the Livewire software. So that has caused us to have to rebuild, move things around, and it has not been fun. So today the charts may look a little different just because we had to rebuild. So if the charts look different, just understand that is what happened to us. We're going to be getting into the markets here after the market opens up. Right now, it is 9:20, so the markets will be open here in about 10 minutes. So we will check things out. Also, too, we're going to trade on the Livewire today. Let me move up to the Livewire, share that screen. We have not done that in a long time. And so today, Livewire is going to be our major focus. There is a Livewire chart. It is showing right now, it is 9:20, 9:21, getting ready to be 9:21, 9:21. There we are. Also, I'm not trading any particular labels. I am looking for line crossings, blue on blue, yellow on yellow. That's going to be kind of the mindset. I want to see some momentum down here on the bottom. I want to be above this white line right here. That kind of will emphasize the fact of what kind of momentum we have. I do have the simple market metrics on below. So I do have that as a way of verifying a trade if I get into it. And if I take a trade specifically based upon the simple market metrics, I'll go back to that screen after the trade is played out and show you why. Could have taken a trade right here because we were above the blue line and we had the blue candle and the green growing, but that was right at open. I didn't want to risk anything. So we're going to keep an eye right in here to see what happens here. We're starting to build a little bit of downward movement here. I may go ahead and sell it and see if I can pick up a quick scalp. This will be a kind of a counter trend. So let me just see if I can pull that off first thing this morning. We are in, and let's see if this will run. All right, let's continue to go down. We're building the red. This is a counter trend trade. I don't recommend this unless you kind of got a gut feeling and go with things because it's going to, my gut feeling was after having this sideways movement that was going to drop down, and we are dropping. We now have yellow picking up here, which is indicating some downward pressure. We still have the red at the bottom showing pressure for selling. If it touches this line, I'm definitely closing, but we'll see how far we go down before I do that. We're down to 45 points, 50 points, 61. It's going to bounce down. I am going to close it and take the win right there. 736 to 679. Good little start to the day. Seems like we're creating a base here. Get above this line, we'll take, okay, we're going to take that trade. We're going to take it. Let's see what we generate out of this. On the simple market metrics, we've just shown a buy signal. We will look for a cross over this blue. We see candles cross over the blue. We'll get out of the trade. Right now we're up 50 points. This is becoming a very good trade. I don't want to be greedy on it, but my goodness, this is already up 120 points. I start seeing 3 or 4 candles being black start dropping down, I might get out. Particularly if it touches here. Getting close. Right, we touched. Right, out of that trade. That's what I was looking for, the cross. So we got in back here on the yellow because of the upward movement. That was trade number 2. We had crossed over the yellow down. I'm going to take that down. We crossed over the yellow right here. I got in here a few candles later. Watching foot cross. Just had it. We're out. Just had the cross right there. We're still seeing some downward movement here. I may just take a trade just to see where we go. We're already going down. Market's slowing down a little bit here. Not having a lot of pressure here. I may just go ahead and get out of it because it's starting to have green. I'm going to get out just because I believe with the green kicking in, it's going to cross. I am watching very closely here because I'm looking to get back into a trade based upon the green, the upward movement for above the line. I am going to get into that trade then. So we're in right here, cross above. I already turned, this is turning blue now as well. Okay. So I got in 2 candles before that line turned blue. After having rough trades last week, learning the new simple market metrics, I decided this week we will trade by the Livewire. And so far today is a very good day. Going sideways a little bit. We're going to keep watching it, see where it goes. I'm liking this live wire because it does keep you in the trades longer when you trade based upon the understanding of the lines and the colors and this momentum down here. Got a red popping into here, downward movement, looking for the cross or the touch. Okay, we're out. We're out right there. So that was trade number 5. Upward movement. Let me see if I can, this continues on. I'm going to go ahead and take a trade. It's going up. Okay, let's see where we go here. Watching for the cross or this coming down with a strong diagonal to it. So we're already at 20 points. It comes back and down, touches, but we're up right now, 68 points. This is starting to curve up again, continuing to go. We are up over 100 points on this trade right now. Watching for that to start any cross, we're going to get out. Looks like we're getting ready to touch. And when we do, we'll be closing this trade out. All right, we're touching. Right there, we're touching. That was 140. Trade number 6 was very good. Got in down here, right at the cross, and we got out right at the cross. All right, getting close to the end of our trading time here. It is 10:48. A lot of sideways movement here. All right, we're getting above the line here with a lot of green pressure on the bottom. Let's see what develops here. Maybe take one more trade for the end of the day. It is continuing to go up. Got a blue candle. I'm going to go take that in prematurely, though, but we are above the line. And it just turned blue right there. Just turned blue. It is so close to the end of the trading day for me. I may go ahead and just get out of this, but keep capitalizing on what gains we have. I've got a blue candle pop in. We have red down here. Definitely some conflicting. Oh, we got some upward movement. Let's stay with a little bit longer then. Getting ready to touch the New York Open. And we've gone above it. Now over 100 points on this trade. I am very thinking about closing it out. Now that's doing the turn. I'm going to close it, take it off, end it there. It is 10:55. That is trade number 7, 454.25 gain today. I'm only trading one micro. That is $908.50. Not a bad day. Trade number 7 right there, the trade we just took, and it's now still going sideways. It's trade 7, trade 6, trade 5, trade number 4, trade number 3, trade number 2, in and out, and trade number 1. So 7 trades today, positive 454.25 points, which equates to $908.50 minus commissions. So not a bad day today. Hey, we'll see you on the next video. Hope the new charts, I don't think they look that much different, but they are different to me considering it's missing some pieces, I think. Anyway, just want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Make sure you check out the Livewire system and Simple Market Metrics. We have the links to those in the description. And as always, like and share this video. We appreciate that and hope you learned something today. We'll catch you on the next one.
Thank you all for watching our trading activity today. We plan on posting 2 or 3 videos a week to demonstrate the simple market metrics and the Livewire trading indicators. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.